fair comment? And do you also feel that you mentioned that when you did keep ball in hand, you looked very dangerous? Do you think there were maybe a bit too much speculative kicking when you're on attack in that first half?
Yeah, it's now the question is, Ken, to get the balance. We did get. There was a one time that we did get the reward of a kick. There was, I know the one that Emrys tried, the little kick over the ruck, got charged down, and we had to scramble. But if you look at it, if you go review it, a meter higher, he actually kicked it into the guy instead of over the guy. If he did that, the space was there, and it would have been a different ball game. So, and then on the individualistic side, that's just part of the growth where we are. That it's a new plays we want to do that. Some players will just get better in that, and the All Blacks is an international side, and those guys play for the All Blacks because they're the best of the best. So the lesson we learned is they obviously were very highly competitive at the breakdown, and our support play wasn't that great always. So that's the areas we have to improve. But that's the great thing about tonight. We got that almost footage now that we can work off and improve as a team.